Hi friends, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you this. This accessory is a watchband for your iWatch. Came in this box and is this. As you can see, the color is gorgeous and it's easy to use with any outfit or any other accessories because it's perfectly matched with any color. So this is the material, it's resistant, it's strong. This is the metallic part. It's like a beige or rose gold color. And let's go put it. Ready. So you just use this for adjust the size of your bands. And ready. So easy to put. So as you can see, it's a perfect match with my other accessories and looks so beautiful. So I highly recommend this. See you.